Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classics Are Better. I'm Travis, and today we're hanging out at the Pistons Paint car show out at the North Texas Fairgrounds in Denton, Texas. This is the 23rd annual event. This is one of those must go to every year. It is 1972 and older, so there is all kinds of cool pre-war cars, old school hot rods, muscle cars, stuff like that. Tons of sweet trucks. But yeah, I'll stop talking. Let's start looking at the good stuff. Well, I think I might have found the most unique thing out here today, and this thing is freaking rad. Let's check it out. Well, this is cool. Looks like this car met some pew-pews. Or met a lot of pew-pews. Pretty neat. Tell you what, these will definitely get your attention. C10 sounded pretty darn good, didn't it? Tell you what, the fairgrounds are really full. It's an awesome turnout today. Check this out. And it's a very family-friendly event. People are cooking, kids are running around, all kinds of good stuff. They got live music. I'm just kind of staying away from it because copyright stuff with the videos, but they got a stage. Got all kinds of great stuff. Awesome vendors out here. Tons to do. Check out this old Ford, guys. This thing is beefy. So I don't know if glitter is like making a comeback, but I'm digging it. I have seen a lot more glitter style roofs and graphics and like steering wheels, stuff like that, and it is awesome. One of the things I really love about this show every year is that it is out here at the fairgrounds, which is not a giant parking lot. So anytime you can park a ton of cool old cars out on grass, trees, stuff like that, it just makes it a lot nicer experience, at least for me. And of course, we're down in like the vendor area, so they got food, so you can do barbecue and tacos, hot dogs, you know, corn dogs, stuff like that. And then they also have awesome vendors all the way down the stretch here, kind of behind all the bleachers and the rodeo arena here, since we are at the fairgrounds. All right, guys, and one of the awesome vendors out here also is Sweet Patina. So if you ever want the original patina sauce, hit them up. They got the best stuff in the business. Make your ride look super cherry. And they brought out this sick 57 wagon, and you know I love wagons. Let's check it out. They also got these roof clips in case you wanted to do some storage. I believe all it takes is having a drip rail to hook them into, but super cool. Sorry for the background noise, y'all, but I wanted to come by the Hales Speed Shop booth. My buddy Scott and my buddy James, 54 Bel Airs, are out here. They got sweet Hales chassis under them. They are very nice. Can't go wrong with a turbo in the trunk. So this was a really cool one. My buddy Paul was pointing out that it's actually an old school Pontiac. This killer C10 Burb was calling me from across the field. This thing is sick. Big thank you to the Chupacabras Car Club. They organize this show every year, and every single year it is awesome. So big thank you to you guys. Cruised up here 10 cars deep today, so this is kind of all of our parking area and hangout spot for the show. Well, we made it to my old C10, so if you guys aren't super familiar with it, old Bandit here is a 66 C10 resto mod. It's got a 5.3 Vortec. It's lowered 4.5 in the front, 6 inches in the back on 22x9 GM transport wheels. Full faux patina job by yours truly. And then I did a full custom interior as well. Now we got some fins for days. Love it. Well, and that's going to do it, my friends, for the 23rd annual Pistons in Paint out here at the North Texas Fairgrounds in Denton, Texas. It has been an amazing show, guys. There's been so many cool cars out here. Even stuff like 32 Fords. You know, you'd think you'd seen them all, but there's probably 30 of them out here, and every single one was different. It's just so cool how you can see so many of the same kind of vehicles, and everybody's got their personal touch, you know, on it, and everybody is super friendly and happy to talk to you about how they customized it, stuff like that. Just good show, good cars, good people kind of thing. So as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me during this. Get out there, get wrenching when you can, and I'll see y'all next time.